we are going to buy this item, and the cost will be bear by these entries, these account, these project ID, this activity ID. That's it, that we define. And these entries we define in item categories. We can override it also in PO discipline, like we discussed and we shown you in that class. But when this purchase order come and we need to pay to the vendor, then there will be two entries, one for purchasing and one for payment. So for that we have this. So just for your example, the scenario you suggested, you want two accounts based on your different type of customer, you can create item category, and if the item is for this customer, we are buying for this customer, then that account will be hit, and if it is for other one, then another account will be hit. But your payable account will remain same based on your business unit.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so these are voucher build. So these information basically we give in business unit level.
So you define the voucher build and match process those information here too in the business unit level?
Yes, business unit level we define it, and so these details basically we define, and also approval thing, these things we define here. So I don't know why this is taking so much time. Let me show you some other stuff. Basically, in payable side, first you define option in business unit level, then you define thing in origin level. So I showed you basically so in business unit level, what information we give? We give information like taxes, we give information like template, we give information like tax option, voucher build option. Voucher build option, I'll let you know. Voucher build is just nothing but there are two way of creation of PO and requisition. Same way, like one was online and one was through process. Same way in account payable, one is for creating voucher through online going pages, and another way is creating through process. Voucher build process is there for creating voucher. Okay, and voucher build process take input file also. If you want, you can create voucher from input file as well, or you can create from voucher from other module as well, like from requisition, from purchase order also you can create, and from account receivable also you can create voucher. Okay, so when you when in which scenario you need to pay from account receivable. Suppose you have one customer and you build that customer, but later that customer return your product and he said, I want my money back. So in such scenario, you will create a check for that customer. So what AR will send data to account payable that pay back this customer. So in that case, this is the scenario from where we need to pay our customer back, and we do it through account payable side, and we run this voucher build process. So that's how about voucher build process. We will discuss them in later. I am just giving you few details. So my idea is just to telling you that what we define voucher build level. sorry, in business unit level. So we give details like this, and then we will discuss about origin. Then this is called control group. We will discuss these in tomorrow class in more detail. Okay, and supplier and voucher. So this is the control hierarchy. So what I am telling you is these details you will first define in business unit level. But if you want that it should be changed. So suppose you define one thing in business unit level, then you can override those rules in origin level. Origin is something which I told you also in one is online, one is for batch. If you are creating something online, then the origin would be ONL. If you are creating something through batch, then you can create one origin batch, BECH or whatever. So these are hierarchies, in order, in sequence, in order. So in the very top we have BU, then origin, then control group, then supplier, and then voucher. So this hierarchy means if I will create a voucher, first it will see that what is defined in business unit level. If it finds there, then it's okay. And then if it is not there, in it will be some values in business unit level. And same thing, if it is defined in origin level, then it will look for origin. It will override business unit level. Suppose one template is defined in business unit level. Standard is there, right? You see. But if in origin you have selected different template, then it will override that thing. Similar way, we have defined control group. So control group is again lower in priority. So it will override business unit and origin. So if you define something in supplier level, it will override all these three: business unit, origin, and control group. And same way in supplier. And if you are in voucher level, when you are creating voucher, then you can override all the 4 items. So this is control hierarchy, how things get populated automatically in sequence. We'll discuss them in tomorrow class. Okay, so that's for today's session.
Okay, thank you very much.
Close the session now. Okay,
Sorry, I couldn't send you the PO stuff too, but I will do it this week.
So how many topics were left off? I'm not aware. You can send me. You can send.
I think we can do it in 1 or 2 days.
Okay, whatever you can discuss. You can mail me. Okay, I will go through it and we'll design it.
Aditya, please don't forget to send me, ask him to send me the recording if it's possible.
Okay. I have stopped the recording and yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
Bye.